Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7 as a monitor for another laptop. To do that, you have to make sure that both devices use Windows and both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. It doesn't have to be a laptop, it can be any kind of PC. And in order to prepare your laptop, your LENOVO Yoga to be an external monitor, we're gonna have to open the Start menu, go to Settings, and after that you have to go to System, then find Optional Features here, open this menu, then click View Features, click Yes, and then search for Wireless Display. Oh no, first we have to select See Available Features, and then search for Wireless Display, and once you find this feature, hit the checkbox next to it, click Add, and then you're gonna have to wait until this feature is added. So it's gonna take a while. And once this feature is added, we can close this window. Let's wait for it to close. I think the settings are lagging. Let me re-enter the settings. And let's go back to settings, to system settings on the sidebar, and here we want to select project into this PC option. Now, here you're gonna have to select either available everywhere or available everywhere on secure networks. And then also, if you want your PC to be discovered even if it's unplugged from the power source, you can switch the toggle off. And after that, unfortunately I don't have a separate PC which I can use to show you how it's done. But basically what we have to do in order to start the projection from the other PC is press Windows and K on that other device, and this will open the cast menu in the bottom right corner of your PC. And if both your LENOVO Yoga and that other PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then you'll be able to spot your LENOVO Yoga right here on the list. Then just click on it and wait until you see the notification on your LENOVO Yoga, confirm connection, and the projection will start. And you'll be able to stop it at any moment, either by selecting your LENOVO Yoga on that list and disabling projection, or by closing the window that will appear on your LENOVO Yoga in order to stop the casting process. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.